Jessica went to exercise at her gym. She arrived at 11 o'clock a.m. She left at 1:37 p.m. How long did she stay at the gym? So in order to solve this elapsed time problem, we are going to draw a T-chart. In our T-chart at the top, we are going to have our start time and our end time. So if I look at my problem, it says she arrived at the gym at 11 o'clock a.m. So that's my start time. And my end time is when she left at 1:37 p.m. The first question I always want to ask myself when I am solving an elapsed time problem is, can I jump an hour? In this problem I can. If I jump an hour from 11 o'clock a.m., I will be at 12 o'clock p.m. And over on this side, I'm going to write how much time has passed, and that is 1 hour. Then I'm going to say, can I jump another hour? Yes, I can. I will be at 1 o'clock p.m. and that is another hour. Now, I can't jump another hour because I would be at 2 o'clock p.m. and that's too far because our end time is only 1:37. So there are a couple ways we can approach next. Now that we can't do any more hours, we need to go to our minutes. I could, since I'm at just 1 o'clock, I could actually just jump straight to 1:37 and have it be 37 minutes. Or you could take smaller jumps to get there as well. Both options work. I'm going to show an example with smaller jumps. So I'm at 1 o'clock and I'm going to go to 1:10 p.m. 1:10 p.m. is 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go to 1:20 p.m. That's 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go to 1:30 p.m. That's another 10 minutes. And now I can't do another 10 minutes because that would be 1:40, but I see I'm at 1:30 and I just need to get to 1:37. So I'm going to go straight to 1:37 p.m. And from 30 to 37, that's just 7 more minutes. Now I need to go over here and add up my totals. So I have 2 hours, 10, 20, 30, 37 minutes. The grocery store opens at 7:30 a.m. Jim starts his shift when it opens and stops at 12:55 p.m. How long does he work? So to solve this problem, we're going to draw another T-chart. I'm going to fill my start times and my end times. 7:30 a.m. is my start time. And 12:55 p.m. is my end time. I want you to pause this video, solve this problem by yourself. When you're finished solving it, play the video to make sure that your answer is correct. Now that you have solved the problem on your own, I'm going to show you how I did it. Our hours should be the same, but if you solved your minutes differently, but you ended up with the same answer, that's fine too. I'm going to start with my first jump of an hour, 8:30 a.m. Another hour, 9:30 a.m. Another hour, 10:30 a.m. I can still do another hour, 11:30 a.m. Oh, and I've got one more hour, 12:30, and when we switch to 12, it goes to PM. 1 hour. I'm actually already pretty close to my goal here. 12:30, I just need to get to 12:55. I like to do 5 or 10-minute jumps, and since this is 12:30, I think a 10-minute jump will be pretty easy here. I'm going to go to 12:40. If you did something different, that's okay. I'm going to write that that was 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go to 12:50. That's another 10 minutes. And I'm going to pay attention here because I see that I'm super close to my end time. All I need is to go straight to 12:55. And that is 5 minutes. I've reached my end time, which means now I just need to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 10, 20, 25 minutes.